Hello there, guys and gals. Good morning to each every one of you. Come over here. Let's have some breakfast. As you can see, oh, strawberries. Love the smell of strawberries. Come on, be the first one to taste, be the first one to bite. Open your mouth. Don't be shy. Love it. Love it. How about mangoes? Mango. Come on. Oh gosh. Love it. Love it. Mmm. Healthy breakfast. This could be my day 38, guys and gals, of not eating meat. Like pork, chicken. 38 or 39? 38, I think. Sorry. Pork, beef, chicken. You know what? This is good to pair with whipped cream. Just imagine that there's a whipped cream. Wow. And then lick it. Some kind of overripe. And then this is also good with to cook in little bit water and brown sugar. And then it will make a strawberry jam. You can do it, guys and gals. Of not eating meat, you still have few days to go. Even though you can accomplish it for your abstinence and for you to have indulgence with the Lord. But for now,